Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my winter Walmart beauty box to unbox and share with you. If you're not familiar, Walmart has a beauty box that they do, I believe it's every quarter, and it is 5 to 7 products. Some are full size, some are sample size, and the best part is it's $6.98. It's just a fun, affordable way to see what Walmart has to offer. You can use those samples to decide if you like the product enough to buy the full size. You can use the small sizes to travel with. You can gift them. I've gotten some really fun things in my box. I'm very excited to see what I got in my box this time. They give you a little flyer that talks about the products that you might have gotten. You have a little QR code. Of course, they cover their tushes there because they say don't see your product. This one might include a product that we thought you would love. So you may not always get the products that are shown on here. I very rarely get a box that I'm not happy with. So let me just feel around and I'm gonna pull it out as a surprise. This first one is the Bubble Slam Dunk Hydrating Moisturizer. Ooh. See, this one I feel like will be a gift because I have a goddaughter that adores Bubble skincare products. It says that this moisturizer is an everyday cream moisturizer that uses natural ingredients like aloe leaf juice and Hoya lacasuna flower extract to deeply hydrate and restore essential nutrients, leaving you feeling nourished, calm, protected, and ready for anything. This is a 10 milliliter bottle. The full size is 50 milliliters and it retails at Walmart for $14.98. Grab another little one. Oh, this is the Physicians Formula Butter Glow Bronzing Serum. Never tried this. Achieve the ultimate sun-kissed complexion in just a few drops. This multitasking, skin-loving, non-greasy serum effortlessly adds a touch of warmth and color, infused with illuminating materials to impart subtle radiance, and our proprietary butter blend. This formula melts into the skin like butter while providing a natural-looking glow. I'm curious, is it all over the face or is it just a bronzer? I'm looking on the box and it says shake well. You can use 1 or 2 drops in your foundation, moisturizer, sunscreen, or primer, or can be applied alone for a natural sun-kissed glow. Buff and blend out for a naturally sculpted look. So this little baby bottle is 0.08 ounces and the full size is 0.3, and the full size retails for $14.98. Let me go ahead and swatch it because I have not tried this product. I'm not about the foundation part of it, but to use it as a bronzer, I would try that. No, I don't think that would work as a bronzer. Not sure. It smells good. I may have to find a home for this one in my family. All right, the next 2 products are from a company called Being Curl Power. This is curl defining shampoo and curl defining conditioner. Full size of these are 12 ounces. These are each 3 ounces, but they're really a nice size. Curl defining shampoo will shape and protect hair for definition. No sulfates, parabens, or silicones. It is a targeted formula for curls of all types. Coconut oil, grapeseed oil. 87% said curls were more hydrated. Sounds lovely. I do wear my hair curly quite often. Let's see if it says anything special about the conditioner. Nope, looks like it's the same thing online. I do find myself wanting to sniff this though, because if it smells like coconut, my mother will love it. She loves anything coconut. I like that they have it taped. Oh yeah, that smells really good. And the last item, so excited. This is the e.l.f. Skin Sun Touchable Invisible Sunscreen SPF 35. This is a full size. Lightweight sunscreen delivers an invisible broad spectrum SPF 35 protection and leaves 0 white cast on all skin tones. Non-greasy field gel formula. Also doubles as a face primer, smoothing your complexion while gripping your makeup for long-lasting wear. Formula is enriched with aloe and meadowfoam seed. This retails for $14. So wow, looking at the box, I definitely got my money's worth. This shampoo and conditioner is big. The Little Physicians formula, not sure about that one. This bubble, my goddaughter will love it. This is the sunscreen that I'm currently using, so that makes it really nice. It does work well with my oily skin. It doesn't feel heavy. My makeup does behave on top of it. This is nice. I just bought a full-size bottle. I had a couple of samples and now I have 2 full-size bottles, and that's great because since I've been using tretinoin on my skin, I told myself I would be better about using sunscreen every day. So the Walmart beauty box, was it worth my $6.98 this month? I say absolutely, and most months it is. Highly recommend. I will have information about Walmart Beauty Box listed and linked in the description box below. They are not paying me to do this. I get this box with my own money. I just like to share it with you because there are different variations. I have variation 14. Very happy with this. I'll also have everything that's on my face listed and linked in the description box below. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload videos on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment. Do you get the box? Did you get something else? Or just leave me a heart to let me know you were here. I'd love that. Thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in